Tables help us organize information in rows and columns, just like a spreadsheet. Before we touch any code, think about real life. Where do you see rows and columns every day? You see them in school schedules, restaurant menus, bus timetables, and report cards, right? So, if something looks like a grid in real life, it usually belongs in an HTML table. Imagine a table like a simple chart. The top row is usually the titles. Under that, each row is a new piece of information. Each column keeps the same type of information. For example, a class schedule has a column for time and column for each day. In HTML, a table has a few main parts. The table tag means this is a table. The TR tag means table row. The TH tag means table header. These are the titles. And the TD tag means table data. Now think about a restaurant menu. A menu often has food, price, and then under that we have burger and $5, or pizza and $8. That's table data. Tables are for data, not a layout. You should not use tables to position text or design your page. That's like using Excel to design a poster. Yes, you can do it, but it's the wrong tool. For layout and design, we use a different language, CSS. Here's your real-world challenge. Pick one of these: a weekly class schedule, a restaurant menu, a bus timetable, a grade report. Draw it on paper first using rows and columns, then translate it into HTML using table, TR, TH, and TD tags. If your data looks clean on paper, your HTML table will look clean too. Alright, that's HTML tables, a simple way to display real-world information clearly. Next, we can add basic styling with CSS so your table looks modern. Borders, spacing, and alignment. But for now, focus on your structure first: table, row, header, and data. See you in the next lesson.